Hey there, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. Hope you're having a fantastic Tuesday. If you're new to the channel, my name is Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. Now, if you're new to the channel and you hate making money, it's not the channel for you. But if you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing in general, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I think you all like what I got for you. Let's talk about the market a little bit. Now, yesterday the market was down a little bit. However, it was a little bit strange because we had the markets going down, yet the UVX was dropping as well. SQQ spiked a little bit, but it was just sort of an odd market. And I bought in some more UVXY, kind of looking for the market to drop before the Fed comes out. And it seems like just more and more people are starting to think that the Fed's really going to pivot here, and they're starting to really kind of push back a little bit. And that's rallying the market, and that's great. In fact, the S&P this morning at time of this video is already up 1.1% in the pre-market. So that's pretty impressive right there. A lot of my watch list is in the green. In fact, most of my watch list is in the green. Hong Kong, they had a great day across the board. We got crypto looking good. So, as far as I can tell, looking at the markets right now, the markets are absolutely on fire, and we are set up to have a really good day. Now, we all know that what the pre-markets does is not always what we see when we go into the open market. However, like I said, with Hong Kong markets being being up so much, with crypto looking like it's trying to gain some strength, it very well could be a great day just to be long on the market. So I may end up changing my trading out a little bit today. It's the beauty with day trading. I can always take a loss if I need to. I can trade on that day, and then I can go ahead and reposition myself, because come tomorrow we could have a huge rally today and then a huge downturn tomorrow. Because like I said, if the Fed comes out and he gives a 75-point basis hike like I believe that he will, I don't think the market is quite ready for that. The only way I believe that's priced in is if he says we're going to do 75, but next month we're going to do 50. Now, we might be priced in for that. If that's the case, we could just see a little bit of a downturn. I still don't think that we're quite there. We could see just a little bit of a downturn and then see the market continue to rally on up. Historically, going through midterm elections is a good time for the market, and you always want to look at what historical averages are. It doesn't mean that's exactly what it is, but I did have a guy tell me years ago, he said, if you want to have the best odds of seeing the future, he said, look at what the past has done. So, I try to keep that into perspective, and I've been expecting Q4 of this year to be one of the best years, or one of the best parts of this year for the market. I look for driving into the midterm elections and up into Christmas to be good for the market. I think overall the economy is decent at this particular moment. We're all out there feeling the pain. Everybody knows that there's a recession coming. Inflation is killing things, but I think everybody was so beat down from COVID and everything that just the fact that life is getting back to normal, people are out and about and able to kind of do what they want again, that people are really just pushing back and not really feeling the pain like we would have if this had happened in 2019. If we had all this inflation and everything just happen before we had COVID, I think we'd be in a lot worse spot than we are. But people are pushing back, people are fighting to get that level of normalcy. And so I think that's where we're at right now. Now, I think everybody believes that there's a worse recession coming next year, but we're trying just to get through these holiday seasons, get through these elections, see if we can get ourselves in a better, maybe a better seat politically. But that aside, as you know, if you're following this channel, we're all about making money no matter what the markets is doing. So we just try to get ourselves set up on how the market is trading. Like I said yesterday, I picked up some Coinbase just in case the market rallied a little bit. I'm still holding a few other stocks right now that's long, and with the market rallying really hard, I've got a pretty heavy position in the UVXY. I may end up cutting like my first position, taking a loss on that, putting it in something else today, and then toward the end of the day, if UVXY is diving, buying back in at that lower price. That'll just bring my average down even more, and then hopefully I can make that loss back up with whatever I put that money into. So that's why I'm going to be looking at playing today. Go out there, check your charts, see what makes sense to you. And if you found this helpful at all, make sure you hit that like button for me. And other than that, be blessed. Remember, never trade with your emotions, always trade by the numbers.